Hi, I'm Lionel, welcome to 3 Codes, and today we're going to talk about how to sell books on Amazon in 4 easy steps. It may seem overwhelming, but finding and selling books on Amazon is far more simple than you can imagine. Step 1 is setting up an Amazon account. Now, Amazon offers 2 types of accounts, an individual account and a professional account. For individual accounts, this is perfect if you're planning to sell less than 40 items. So it means you'll be charged 99 cents on every item you sell. But if you're thinking of selling more than 40 items a month, then you'd want a professional account. The professional account is charged at $40 a month, but you don't get charged the per item fee. Remember that choosing the right account is crucial for your business's success, because this can affect your profits based on the amount of products that you're selling. So now that you've set up your Amazon account, let's talk about how you actually find profitable books to sell. Well, you have a few options. You can either sell books based on what you already have stored up, you can go book shopping, or you have apps like ScoutIQ. The way that ScoutIQ works is that it allows you to scan books extremely easily and judge their profitability by the data that it provides for you. This is as simple as taking your phone and using it to scan a book that's sitting on your bookshelf, and you can judge the profitability on Amazon. The app also uses historical data about books to predict their future sales. Now, you've probably guessed that Amazon, starting as a book selling platform, probably has most of the books that you already plan to sell. So now that we've talked about finding your book, let's talk about listing it. To list your book, all you need to do is go on Amazon and search the title of your book. Once you found that book, click sell on Amazon. This is where you'd normally think about pricing the book, calculating profitability, but ScoutIQ has already done a lot of that work for us. Don't forget to also add how many copies you're planning to sell. But even though we have ScoutIQ, it's important to remember that we have to factor all of Amazon's fees. Now, this will depend on how you actually plan to ship the book. Step 3 is all about understanding Amazon's fee structure. It may sound boring, but this is really important for having a successful Amazon business. Now, Amazon charges a referral fee on each sale. This is a percentage based on the total amount of each sale, and this can vary based on category. For books, this fee is 15%, and it's automatically deducted from your sale proceeds. The next fee you need to consider is the closing fee. This is for media products such as books, CDs, things like that, and that fee is fixed at $1.80. And finally, your individual seller fee. Remember, if you picked an individual seller account, you'll be charged 99 cents on every sale that you make. Now, these fees, although they seem small, can quickly add up. That's why we use tools like ScoutIQ to judge the profitability of a book before even considering selling it on Amazon. Moving on to our final step. How do you actually get your books to your customers after they found it on Amazon? Well, you have 2 options. There's fulfillment by merchant, or there's fulfillment by Amazon. That's what you usually hear called FBM or FBA. Fulfillment by merchant, or FBM, means that you're responsible for everything. So that includes storing, packaging, and shipping your parcels to your customers. This can be a good choice if you have the space and the time to process this. It can also be a good decision to make if you're not planning to sell a high volume of books to start with. Now let's talk about FBA. Fulfillment by Amazon means that Amazon takes care of all the storing, the packaging, and the shipping. You're also getting the added benefit of Amazon's speedy delivery service, and this can be really useful when you have a high volume of books. All you need to do is send your books to Amazon and they'll handle the rest. Remember, FBA comes with its own charges, but these charges are usually offset by the amount that you would have paid for storage and packaging anyway. Both options have their pros and cons, but it's important to decide which one works best for your business model before deciding to sell books on Amazon. So there you have it. Selling books on Amazon doesn't have to be intimidating. It's all about understanding the process. You've learned how Amazon works and how to set up your account. Just remember, you don't have to be in this alone. As you scale up your business, our products can provide you with all the tools that you need. And there are articles on 3coats.com and videos right here on YouTube providing you with the resources that you need to become a successful Amazon seller. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to 3 Coats. Thank you very much for watching.